And we are live. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us today. Thank you so much for everyone on the Zoom. Thank you, every students, TA, teacher, and team members also present here in person today. So my name is Tom. I'm taking care of community and events here at Le Wagon Berlin. We are in today, and I am so delighted to welcome you for the demo day of the Web Dev Batch. Sorry for that. For the demo day of the batch 6770. Thank you so much, and I think you can give yourself a big round of applause right now. So before we get to the most interesting part, which is the project of the students, I would like to thank every single one of you present here physically today, but also on Zoom, all the students that made it through these 9 weeks of adventures. They started on the 5th of July, and 9 weeks later, here we are. Time flies. They have been going through a roller coaster of emotions. They've been depressed, they've been motivated, they've been happy, they've been sad, they've been everything, a beautiful umbrella of emotion. And we are extremely proud of them. And today they're going to have the chance and the pride to present you their project. So they've been 33 students during that adventure, so that means that we are going to have the joy of having 9 different amazing projects today. On Zoom, if you can also participate and show us your joy and your support by sending some rain of emojis or also participating in the chat, that would be wonderful. And now I'm going to leave the mic to my dear colleague Annie, who's going to give you a tiny bit more information about what Le Wagon is and how awesome it can be. And you're going to see that also on the product. And then after that, we're going to have our dear teachers and batch managers, Valerie and also Darius, presenting alongside the students. Thank you so much for joining. Have a blast. And here we go.
Thanks so much, everybody. For those who don't know me, mainly the people at home in Zoom, my name is Annie. I'm the city manager of Le Wagon Berlin. I have done the bootcamp myself, web development. It's a bootcamp to my heart, so I'm very happy to see all of these happy, tired faces right in front of me here. I just want to give a quick intro about what is Le Wagon and maybe how we can convince you to also be part of our alumni network one day. I think most of you, before you started, you had one of these questions, like, it's super frustrating. I have an amazing project, I have this fantastic idea, however, I don't have a clue how to build this. Or, I am working with a bunch of people, they're amazing, however, they're speaking in ancient Greek. They are saying things about code, and I'm like, hey, I don't know how to challenge you. Or, you simply want to change your career and you don't know where to get started. Basically, you feel like this. So yeah, that's where we come in. And we bring technical skills to creative people like you. We help you, we teach you how to code. And afterwards, you can find a career as a web developer. You can become a freelancer, travel the world when Corona is over. You can launch your own startup or simply reinvent yourself career-wise and find a technical job. We do that in 2 different bootcamps. We have one of them is the web development bootcamp. That's where we are today. So I'm not going to say too much about it now, because you'll see the beautiful results of 9 weeks of education, what it can do. And we also have a data science bootcamp where we teach everything about machine learning, deep learning, and amazing miracle things that happen in your computer. What do we learn at the web development bootcamp? It's 9 weeks. It's 450 hours of learning, coding. And I think, to be honest, the 450 hours might be a little bit of an underestimation for the most of you that are sitting here. Very sorry for the late nights that you might have made. But we do everything from front-end development, back-end development. We teach about Ruby, Ruby on Rails, JavaScript, SQL, beautiful, beautiful code that will make an amazing project in a bit. If you don't have the luxury to to take 9 weeks off to do the bootcamp, you can also do this in 24 weeks. You learn exactly the same, but spread out over 24 weeks, and you have less contact moments during the week. So we have gotten pretty good at it, I must say, because we're the #1 rated bootcamp in the startup heart of Europe. That's something that I'm pretty proud of. And of course, it's all fun and stuff, but what is happening to our alumni after the bootcamp when they have completed it? So there's a very cool companies that are hiring our alumni. Think about Moonfair, think about Adjust, BCT, Digital Ventures, amazing companies where you can end up. And it's not only that our people are hired, but also found their own startups. There's over 100 startups already founded by our alumni. And 70 startups have already raised a lot of money. This is over 250 million euros already combined. So, who are these alumni? Think about Lucy. Lucy came to Berlin. She was a legal researcher. Realized this is not what she wanted to do the rest of her life. And she did her bootcamp, and she's now a software engineer at Ableton. Kate, she was studying, turned into an analyst, realized that she didn't want to do that as well, did a bootcamp, and is now working for Agen, as a product specialist. And also we have our entrepreneurs, of course. Kiteri, for example, she had an amazing idea when she was doing the business school, didn't know how to code, and then she did a bootcamp, started Scalo, and they've raised over 6 million already. And maybe Alex, I think some of you already know him. He was a freelance jazz musician, but also wanted to have some income next to it, some stability. Did a bootcamp and is now working as freelance developer, but also here at Wagon has been teaching quite a bit. How can you do this? Of course, you can self-fund, but there's also 2 other options to get it funded. One of them is the Bildungsgutschein. This is a voucher from the German government that is covering your complete tuition. Or you also have an income share agreement where our partner Chansenegay is paying the whole tuition up front, and then afterwards, when you find a job, you'll start paying them back in rates. What do you get for this? First of all, of course, the bootcamp, an amazing 9 weeks with us, but also you get lifelong access to the learning materials, which will keep on being updated. You'll see the teachers over and over again in new videos, new cheat sheets. You get a global network. There's over 11,000 alumni already all over the world with 46 different cities. You want to move somewhere, you can always reach out to those people that are already working there. And you get an amazing community for life. We have over 1,000 alumni here in the city, and you'll meet quite a bit of them anytime soon. So yeah, there's upcoming bootcamps again for the people who want to enroll. This was my presentation. I would love to give the word to Valerie and Darius, our lead teachers. Good luck.
Thank you, Annie. I think I speak for all of the batch managers, teachers, TAs, and everyone else that we are so proud of all of our students that are presenting their products tonight. Tom already mentioned it was quite an emotional roller coaster. Not only do you learn how to code, you also learn a lot about yourself, I think. So I hope you take this for the rest of your journey with you. And yeah, we're gonna have 9 products to present tonight. We're super proud and we cannot wait to see the end results. So I'm gonna give the microphone to Darius, who will introduce the first group.
Hello from me as well. Very nice to see you. How's everybody feeling? Yes, that was a very tired applause. So I wanted to say it's been very nice being a teacher for all of you. I've been with you for the beginning of the bootcamp, and I've seen you all grow and go through some stressful days and doubting yourself and then succeeding. And it's actually very nice to see what you've achieved and the programmers, the coders that you've become. So yeah, I'm very proud to be here and very well done for you. Today, we are going to start. I live in this, you know, Berlin, I guess. Fantastic. You know Berlin. I live in this very secluded neighborhood of North Berlin, also known as Prenzlauer Berg. And all of my friends live in Neukölln and Kreuzberg, and it's always a pain because I don't want to go 5 hours to the south, and then they probably don't know where Prenzlauer Berg is on the map. So I really wish there was a solution to this. Give it up for Meter.
Thank you, Darius. Hello, everybody. It's lovely to see you all and to be here. My name is Doug. I'm from Meter, and I have a friend, and her name is Sylvia, and she's great. We love to hang out, but the thing is, she lives down in Karlshorst, which, from my lovely apartment up in Prenzlauer Berg, is a bit of a mission. And so I do go down and travel to see her sometimes, but it's always a case of being on the bus and then the train and then walking, and it's long, it's painful. So when we do meet, sometimes we think, wouldn't it be nice if there was something that we could use that would enable us to find spots in between where we live, because ultimately we don't know the neighborhoods between where we live so well. And then we found Meter, and Meter makes it easier for you to meet up with a friend in a cool spot in between two addresses. Oh, what are the chances? Sylvia just sent me a message, and she wants to meet up right now. I'm well up for that. I have some free time after this, a lot of free time. So I'm going to input my address, which is Schönhauser Allee. And then I'm going to input her address, which is Loreleystraße. And it's nice weather outside. It's early evening. I'm thinking we should go to a park. And we're going to run the search. And look here. We have 3 beautiful looking parks in between our 2 addresses. I've not actually been to any of these before, so I think I'm going to share these results with Sylvia via WhatsApp in a quick message, just asking her, what do you think of these spots, Sylvia? She's so quick at replying. It's really helpful. So it's only going to be a second before she gets back to me, and she says she thinks it would be better to go for a drink. Parks are lame. Let's go to a bar. Anyway, fine, I'm down with that. So we're going to run the search again, and we have 3 spots again in the same neighborhood, but this time it's bars. And sports interest me, so maybe we'll check this one out. It's cheap. That's good. It's open now. Maybe we'll give it a call, see what food they have. Actually, let's check the business hours. Okay, so it only shuts at 12, which is a bit early for us this evening. So I think we're going to go back, and I think we're going to look at another one of those cards. Maybe that minimal bar sounds cool. And it's got 4-star rating. It's moderately expensive, and in its business hours, it's open until 6 a.m. So I'm going to share that with Sylvia via WhatsApp again, and I'm just going to say, Sylvia, this is the spot for us today. This is where let's get drunk, yeah. And I'm going to ask her that, and she says, looks good. See you at 7:30. So I'm going to head off there later. But before I do, I'm just going to say thank you very much to the team for working so well together, and also thank you to you lot, everyone at the Wagon, teachers, etc., for doing such a good job. Cheers. And you for listening as well.
Nice. Well done, Meter. I think I will definitely start using that app. So I also live in Berlin, and I'm always up for trying out new things, new activities around the city. But unfortunately, my friends are pretty boring and lame, so they never want to do it with me. So luckily, there is this app that will solve this problem. So give it up for Activitease.
Thank you. Whew, so this is it, right? So I'm pretty proud to present this product that we built the last 2 weeks, right? It was not easy. Let's put it like this, you all know that. So let's start with me telling you a little story. So I have a daughter, right? Most of you know, I guess. And I really want to build a treehouse for her. Would be nice, I guess. The problem is I'm lacking the skills completely to do this. So it would be cool to find some people that actually know how to do it and could help me with it, right? Luckily enough, I found this website called Activitease some days ago. We're on the site now, you see the homepage, nice banner, find like-minded people, that sounds cool. You got some categories, trending activities. So yeah, looks good so far. Then, let's go to see all activities, right? So here we see cards with the activities there. You can scroll down. And those with a keen eye will spot, yeah, that's one of those is mine with the flag. So of course I prepared for this, right? You can go on the card, build a treehouse with Michael. Sounds inviting, I'm 100% sure of it. Then, how about it starts 10 a.m., goes until 5 p.m. How about 10 a.m. is a bit early, let's do 12 a.m. Or 12 p.m. would be the right thing, right? Not at midnight. Let's edit the time, let's save it. And while we edited it, maybe somebody wants to join us, right? So let's go to the dashboard and check it out. So here on the dashboard, nice. Somebody wants to join this activity. Request from Love, Love, Love. I bet he knows his way around treehouses, I'm sure. So let's accept it. And let's get in touch with him, right? So here we can chat with him, what he's about. Hi there. He knows my name already, okay. Of course I have enough wood, otherwise I wouldn't call for it. Nice, so we got in touch with him, yeah, and we're gonna build a treehouse together, I hope. But while we're at it, let's check out the others, right? Maybe I can join an activity that's interesting. So we see that. Let's select, yeah, a category about, let's go on an adventure maybe. Yeah, let's check it out. So there we see urban gardening. Okay, I'm not that adventurous to be honest. How about bungee jumping? That seems a bit calmer, right? Let's go bungee jumping. The description is, yeah, it's been too long to read. I'm feeling adventurous. Just join. Let's go join now. And let's get back to the dashboard and see what the status is of it. So here we see pending join requests. Pending, okay. So we hope that it, oh, you see, what magic, accepted. Cool, let's get in touch with them. So here again, yeah, we can chat with them. What timing, right? All perfect. So here in the chat we can, yeah, meet up with them, talk about it. Looking forward to it, 100%, yeah. And yeah, I found somebody to help me with my activity or my project, yeah. And I found an activity to join, pretty cool. At this point, big shout out to my team. You guys were amazing. Yeah, we built this in 2 weeks, so I will stay here and say we're proud, yeah. That's it, thank you.
Thank you, and you should be proud. I think I'm gonna join for bungee jumping with Fatima and family, as well. Yeah, what a lovely application. Well done, you guys. Yeah, for the next presentation, all of the people who are seeing us from Zoom, I would like you to kindly switch your cameras on, because rumor has it that it's an interactive presentation. Yeah, so here Santi has a little cousin who is going through speech therapy right now, and he's having difficulties keeping track of his therapy calendar. And I think we found a solution for this, and the solution is Twist. Give it up for Twist.
Thank you. So I'm frustrated. I, as a therapist, the kids are not listening to me. I say one thing, they do another thing. Unfortunately, we don't have one app to fix it all, but we have Twist. So, as a therapist, I want my clients or my patients to practice regularly throughout the week and not come into my office and answer when I ask, did you practice regularly? No. So Twist can help me with this. You basically create an account and log in. And then as a kid, you can play it. But the trick is, it's not games, it's actually therapy. So this therapy is about the oral functions, and you have to train your muscles. So if you lack muscle strength, you have to do it over and over again. So the most important thing is exercise regularly. So let's take a look at it. Here we see fun games. Let's just dive right in and select a random one. Okay, it's called Fish. Let's see what this is about. It's an easy one to start, that's really good. Imitate a kiss and then open your mouth while your lips are still puckered. You should look like a fish. Let's watch the video to see what this is about. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a kiss, I guess. Oh, fish mouth. Okay, I think we have an idea now. What's next? Do the exercise while the timer is running. I think we can try that. Let's all go. Kiss. Fish mouth. Kiss. Oh, are you all doing it? Okay, let's try again. Kiss. Fish mouth. Fish mouth. Oh, we will earn 1 coin. Yay! I think we're good at it. Let's try another one. Yeah, we're gonna earn so many coins today. How about kiss and smile? Let's do another easy one. Okay. Kiss and smile. Imitate a kiss and then smile. Do this in alternation several times. Let's look at it. Okay. We kiss. Okay, that's a fairly easy one. We can do that. Let's go straight to play. Okay, you guys, all together. Kiss. And smile. Kiss. And smile. Kiss. And smile. Okay, 1 more coin. Yes. Okay, I think we're done for today. That was a lot of work. Oh, we have a streak of 5. That's really good. We earned 7 coins today already. Hey, because of the streak, I guess. Let's go to the dashboard. Oh, you see, I already played it a little. I already have a 3-day streak. But I want to see where I'm at the dashboard. Oh, my nickname is Hamster. Can you find me? I'm place 2. So close to place 1. Okay, cool. And now I want to see, how do I get more coins? Maybe on the last slide. Oh, okay. Yeah, I did kiss and smile 5 times out of 5. Yeah, okay. I think I'll do diagonal smile next, but not now, because now I want to thank Lucas and Philip for bringing this idea to life, and all of our lovely TAs and teachers. And thank you so much.
All right. Thank you, Team Twist. So for our next application, I think we can all agree that the world is kind of doomed. You know, with climate change and everything happening, it can be pretty depressing sometimes. So we want to find ways in order to include a greener lifestyle in our daily lives, right? But sometimes it can be pretty difficult to find out which places around us are actually green initiatives or try to be sustainable. So for our next app, give it up for Good Spots.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sue, and I just recently moved to Berlin from Hamburg, and I love to discover new places by food and restaurants and coffee. And so I usually just open Google Maps, type in coffee, and then what are the search results? Starbucks, McDonald's. I'm not really satisfied about that because I'm trying to live a more sustainable living, and I heard about a friend's recommendation about an app called Good Spots. So what is Good Spots? So Good Spots is an app where a community curated places. So they handpicked places and pinpointed on a map. And the best part of it, she told me, that they are trying to make it more playful and fun to pinpoint topics like climate change and social inequality. So I thought, just give it a try. So should we do our first search? Let's go. Wow, this looks nice. So we have an app, and it's very minimalistic. And for me as a newbie, I have recommended places. Let's see what we have. We have coffee shops, we have social businesses, institutions, beer, that's nice. Let's scroll around more down, and we have more places which are recently joined, more places underneath that. This looks nice. And more categories. But for now, I don't know if you know, I studied educational science, and I want to find a place which is an institution working in this place in education and offers workshops. So let's type in Bildung. Yes. And I don't know why, but this design looks very familiar. Am I the only one? Okay, so this design, I don't know why, but I naturally know what to do. When I swipe left, I don't like it. When I swipe right, I like it a lot. So let's do it and start swiping. So we are swiping through institutions right now. No, I don't like that. Yeah, we can give it a try. Nope. Nope. What is this? Let's go and see more details. So we have Restlos Glücklich and some context where it is and some description, and it's exactly what I'm looking for. They're offering workshops. I love it. Let's bookmark it. And now I have all my bookmarks here. I think I accidentally liked Filming for Change. I will delete that one. And now I'm done with my research, and I'm really hungry and I'm really craving for coffee. So let's start searching for a coffee place. Let's go for the categories. And we have categories coffee. So same game again, swiping left or right. So I don't like that. Wait, stop. This looks amazing. Let's go for details. Again, we have some context, we have some description. It says very nice coffee, fair trade, and some pastry. Let's go and see where it is. And it's just around the corner, so let's have some fair trade coffee. Thank you very much. And thank you. Sorry, I forgot. Thank you very much, and I really thank you. Thank my team. So start with. I'm so sorry. Andreas and Pablo and Santi, our special member. And thank you the TAs and all the people at Le Wagon. Thank you very much.
That looked fantastic. Well done. Very, very nice. I loved your layout so much. Yeah. So, as nobody of you knows, I really, really like sports. I really, really, really like sports. The problem is that for some reason, I can never find somebody to join me in my physical activities. And maybe the problem is that I'm an avid dodgeball player, but I don't know. I need to somehow find somebody to join me. I wonder if there's a solution to that problem. Let's see. Give it up for Sporty.
Dorios, you make me nervous. We don't have a dodgeball thing on there. So that's a very last minute thing. So maybe let me start with a question just to see if we even have product market fit now that I'm a bit scared. And I'll start with the city newbies. Do we have people in here who moved into Berlin after or during COVID? Please, some at least. Okay, we have some people. Let's try we're programmers. Let's try the couch potatoes. Who likes coding more than working out? Let's rephrase it that way. Okay, we have some in that way. Don't be shy. I mean, we're programmers. And then one last one for the hobby athletes. Who likes, because we don't have dodgeball, but we have tennis, we have basketball, and we have soccer. Any of these? Oh, okay. So guys, at home, for you I can confirm we had some hands up. I didn't check your emojis, but I promise really there was some heads up. And to be honest, in the end it doesn't even matter, because no matter whether you're new to Berlin and you want to meet new friends, or whether you're a couch potato and you want to go out and work out more often, or whether you're a hobby athlete and you're looking for someone on your level, Sporty lets you do all of that. With Sporty, it's the app to meet new friends through the sports you love. Now, let's assume, okay, that's an unrealistic assumption, but let's assume I was LeBron James. I gotta smile a bit myself. And let's assume I was flying into Berlin tonight just for the incredible lineup that was promised at Renate. And I came just for tonight to see DJ Tom. I can see him in the audience already. DJ Aya is here. DJ Duck with his white shirt. I'm really looking forward to that. But then I got the sad news. There's no Renate DJs happening tonight. So instead I head to Sporty and I want to go for a one-on-one in basketball. And usually, what's better there to do? Usually I would have to join the platform first and register my details, but as I'm a power user already, I'll just skip ahead and log in using my credentials, my email address, putting in my password. And what it does once I logged in is it immediately shows me in my neighborhood where I'm staying all the games, sports, soccer, no dodgeball, Darius, no dodgeball, don't even try, on there that I can participate in. And I can see them on a map, so I'll click the soccer ball, for example, in Neukölln in order to see what it is. And I like soccer. I'm not sure anyone knows what a Brudi is, so maybe I'll close that again. And anyways, I wanted to play real ball game, right? So let's select only the basketball, press select, and I have it filtered now. Hauptbahnhof's not my hood. Maybe Brandenburg Geke night. So combine sightseeing and basketball. And I click on it, and I see Daring Duncan Dirk. Seems like Deutschman's on fire. So that sounds fun. It's happening tonight instead of Renate. So sorry Tom for that. But I can burn some calories as well instead of stepping. That's nice. It's going to be good weather. The guy's reliable. So I'll click join and send him a request or challenge him to give it a go. It's asking me for my skill level. Obviously, I breathed that sport, joined the event. I love how it's claiming that I'm a bit fitter than Dirk Nowitzki, so I have to press OK first, but that's good. And then it shows me all the upcoming events, but also the glorious past, LeBron's championships to 2016, 13, 12. But maybe, I don't know about you guys, if we want to give a review on the internet, I tend to only give reviews if I hate on stuff. So I'll kick the 211 one that I lost against Dirk Nowitzki and his Mavericks, and rating that experience as a 1 out of 5, a German experience. I didn't like it at all. It was horrible. And well, now that I reviewed the game and my request to join Dirk is pending, I'm really curious how this app looks like from the perspective of our 7-foot schnitzel here. That's Dirk, so passing over the ball.
Thank you, King. I've shrunk a bit, but it's okay. As you know, I've recently moved from America to Germany, so I'm kind of a city new myself. But after all, it's still Schnitzel town. It's my town. So I'm protecting my turf. And as a top athlete, I only know that the way to challenge yourself is by stepping into the unknown. And I've been using Join Sport for quite a while because it gives me the option of challenging with the unknown. So with no further ado, let's jump into the events. Okay, I can see there's tennis going on, there's soccer going on. Okay, I guess I'm a big guy, so you know what? It's the weekend, I feel adventurous, let's create an event. Come on, let's do it. You know what, how about tennis? You know, those big bones, they need to be worked, you know. Wait a minute, I can smell somebody is stepping into my turf. All right, how about we're gonna check out the dashboard, because I can feel somebody wants to challenge the Schnitzel man. Okay, I can see the NBA finals where I won it. Okay, in the past, the glorious past, as King said it. But you know what? I'm gonna tell you what. Somebody's requesting a game. He's gonna have it, okay? Let's bring it on, come on. Okay. I can see this King James, he showed up. Okay, that little weasel, he's always coming after me, okay? I'm gonna teach him a lesson, and I'm gonna make it really good. He's quite reliable, he's a good guy, you know? So yeah, let's do it, let's play some ball, come on, bring it on, accept. Okay, let's see if he accepted. I wanna see if he accepted or not, you know? Okay, has he accepted, or is he a coward? He accepted the game, okay, let's bring it on. Let's send him a little message, a little hello. What's up? Hey, little Lee. I see he was going to respond. Is he going to respond? Ooh. That app is dope. All right, so thank you so much. And on that note, I want to give a massive shout out to my team, to the back-end queens. I don't know, you want to come up for a second? Come on. Give us some applause to the back-end. Come on. Thank you so much. Thank you, Marius. Cheerio. Aya and May. Thank you.
Thanks, Adam, for making it all happen. There would be no Sporty without Adam. There would be no Sporty without you guys. Thanks a lot. And please join Sporty at joinsporty.com. Thanks for watching.
All right, thank you, Sporty. So I think now we've done enough active stuff. Now it's time to relax, hang out with our friends. But meeting up with friends can be quite of a pain. Organizing WhatsApp groups and whatnot. Luckily, our next app, Vremennyy, will solve that issue for us. Give it up for Vremennyy.
Hello, everyone. Coworkers, buddies, professors, TAs, managers. I'm so happy to be here where I am now today. How are you guys? Good? Yeah. Well, I do think that there's a thing that we all have in common, and we haven't been that good for the past years. We had a long time of lockdown, right? Where we were forced to stay home, we couldn't go out, we couldn't meet our friends, loved ones, families. We're stuck. But now things are changing. Everything's opening again. Restaurants, cafes, clubs. We want to do everything at once, and we have no time and no energy. But me and my group, my lovely group, we came up with an idea for you. We made an app called Vremennyy. This is our beautiful app. First, you have to imagine, if you would start now to organize all the things you want to do that you feel that you missed the past years, you'd start creating a lot of groups, chat groups, in WhatsApp or any other chat application. You have a bunch of chats with numbers you don't even know. Imagine all of your friends starting to create groups and calling you to parties, and you will be lost. And that's where I want to introduce you to our sweet application. So let's go. This is our dashboard. We have here an application that allows you to keep track of all of the events that are upcoming, all of the events you got invited to, as you can see here. But first, we'll start to create an event for me to show you how all of this got created in the first place. Let's go for an open air cinema, open air movie. You can choose any picture to look more inviting to the ones you are inviting. Yes. Having a start time, we can go for today. No. Until today, 1 hour. 1 hour later. It's just for me to show you how that works. Location can be a Bogota. It's a nice place. No. We can watch movies there. And description, it will be awesome. Yes, so, and then we create the event. And that's how it would look like. We will have the possibility to invite people. We can start inviting all of the people that are in the app, that has the app signed up at some point in life. Let's invite the first ones we get there. And since someone already accepted. But since most of the requests are pending, I can keep explaining to you how that works. So you have the date, you have the location. Down in the app, you have the map. You can get the directions directly to maps. You can see all of the ways how you get there. But in the meanwhile, let's see the other events I got invited to. Okay, so the upcoming events are the ones that I already accepted. And down there we have the invitations, final batch party, chess tournament, and Sue's birthday. Happy birthday, Sue. I shouldn't say that yet. Let's go for the chess tournament. Do you guys like that? I don't, so I'm not taking that. I'm definitely not going there. I'm sorry for you guys to like it. I'm just rejecting. I don't need that. I don't even know how that works. But Sue's birthday? I think we should go, right? Yeah, awesome. So let's accept the invitation. And we would be able to upload pictures also, since the moment on we have the event going on. But the best part about it, I'll tell you later. So let's go back to the event that I created to see if there are more people who are joining. And you can see 2 people are already joining this event. You can see who they are. Well, you can chat with them. Let's chat with them. Oh, they're already texting. Can I bring my sister? Of course. Well, let's thank them that they are joining. Thank you, guys. It will be awesome, right, Sue? Awesome. Okay. Well, what is it that you guys want to keep after a good day? Is it the chat? Do you guys want like 2 months after the event is over for people to text like, you know what, I should have brought something else? No. You don't care. You want the memories. You want the good stuff to keep in your heads. And we have a calendar for that. That's our calendar. With all of the events there, all of the dotted dates are the days that something happened. And you can go to the 1st of this month, September. We had a 1-day trip to Morocco. And you can see all of the pictures and all of the awesome days. You can go one by one and see and have fun. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. I thank my group so much. I love to work with this group. Oh yeah, this is my babies. This is my group. Thanks to the teachers, thanks for the TAs. It was an amazing time. I can't even describe. I don't even know how to describe Le Wagon. It's amazing. And I hope soon we can have some events in Vremennyy. Thank you so much.
What a lovely memory. I'd love to hear more about this trip. Okay, so here's a question for all of us immigrants in Germany. Apart from the weather, what's the first thing that you notice when you're moving to Germany? Bureaucracy, exactly. Yes, you need an Anmeldung to get a bank. You need a bank account to get a bank account. You need a bank account to get an Anmeldung. You need your Anmeldung to go to the Sporty sometimes. And I've really lost track, really. I wish there was a solution to my problems. Let's see what NU2 has, or New2 has for us. Give it up for New2.
James, what up, what up?
Hey, how's it going?
I heard you moved to the city, moved to Berlin. How's it been? Are you all sorted?
Well, it's been amazing. I moved here 2 weeks ago, and it's been great. But recently, I hit the ultimate wall, bureaucracy.
I feel you. I feel you.
Don't know where to go.
Well, have you checked out this website called New2? I've heard it's been very helpful. It might be right up your alley.
Oh, let's check this out.
Yeah, let's do it.
Might need this. Oh, this looks great. Really nice, catchy, clean, easy to use. I think. I'll find out. It's good support, fast, free, friendly service. I mean, that's an exception in Berlin. And a quiz. Let's do a quiz. It wants to know me better. Okay. Am I employed? Yes, I am employed. I'm coming to work for Wagon. They don't pay 62,000, so I've been told. German level, don't speak it. My email address, well, I've already been given it, so it's james@lewagon.com. And I found a lovely apartment on Goldmannstraße 30. My phone number, I've just been given that. So it's +49 176 235 77721. I arrived, if I can remember correctly, a week ago. So the 28th of August. And I'm hoping to still be here in a year. Never know what's going to happen. And I'm an 80s baby, so 22nd of November, 1989. Oh, that was quite easy. So let's submit that. And so James, Hibbard, and the most secure password is 123456. We don't have to change everything. No one will guess it. Awesome. So it's calculated my answers and it's come up with some suggestions. Though there seems to be a lot to work through and I don't seem to know exactly what I should be doing, so maybe there's a bot or something that can guide me through the process. In the top right corner. Hello. So maybe let's find out what we need to do first. What's the best thing to do when you move to Berlin? See if it's quick. Oh, that was very quick. So the registration process, I've heard about this, can take up to a year to get an appointment. So let's see if there is anything available in the apartment registration. Okay, some very concise details there. As we slowly work our way down, application form, civil status, and there's a nice map. I can see where I live, and I can see a nice purple dot right next door. So let's have a quick look there. Charlottenburg. Maybe there's an appointment. We can have a look. Oh, wow, 4. Let's do 10:30 in the morning. Let's get it out the way nice and quick. Oh, this is fancy. Well, we've got that. That looks good. I don't know how to get there. So maybe, the address looks like it's clickable. So let's have a look at the address. Oh, this is handy. Nice and easy. Yeah, it looks great. I can just walk there nicely, get a coffee on my way. Let's have a look what else we can do. Bank accounts. I hear that's important. And so based on my planned duration of stay, my lack of language skills, and recommendations, it suggests, Deutsche Bank. So let's go with the national service. And then finally, insurance. I hear you have to have public or private insurance to see a doctor or anything. Also, based on my age, income, and public health care. Yeah, I hear Technica speak English sometimes, so let's give that one a go. So this is great. It's given me a nice selection of things I have to do. Some documents, I have nothing to upload, so I feel like that is everything that I can get out of this really great, really easy to use website. On that note, I want to say thank you to my amazing team, Cheyenne, Martin, Christine, and Ivo for helping us through the process, all the TAs and teachers, and thank you very much for the last 9 weeks.
All right, thank you, Nu too. I for sure could have used this app when I moved here because it literally took me months to get my Anmeldung in Berlin. Don't tell anyone. So next up, we have a team of which most of the team members were remote, so it was quite a challenge at times to communicate with each other, but still I think they did amazing considering the circumstances. And in itself, it's a great app. Basically, now that the world is opening up again and we can travel again, it sometimes can be difficult to know which restrictions we have in which countries in terms of COVID. So luckily, our next application helps out with that. Give it up for Traveled.
Hello everyone, my name is Fabrizio and I really love to travel. I've been traveling a lot throughout my whole life, but lately, in the last 2 years, it's been really challenging due to the different regulations. And I haven't found the solution to my problem until yesterday. Yesterday, I was talking with 2 friends, Mohammed and Benedict, and they told me through an app that I should have known before. It's called Travel. Here it says you can figure out different regulations based on where to go. So let's just dig in and try it. I actually really want to travel this month because I have some time off, and I want to go to Sweden, so I can get to sail between islands. Nice. Okay, actually it doesn't look so far. I thought it was way further. Okay, let's check the rules out. It says, I might not need actually the face mask in Sweden. Let's check if there is anything more I can figure out. Yeah, it says there is the possibility. I need maybe a test. Yeah, definitely. I need a test not older than 72 hours. And then let's check if there is any more info I need. Okay, there is a link I can check. But you know what? I'm ready. Let's go to Skyscanner and book a flight. But wait a minute. I see there is a link there, search for flight. Let's try that out. Oh my God, you can actually book your flight here. I wish my friends told me because I would have booked it yesterday and maybe save some money. So let's go from Berlin, Brandenburg, and to Stockholm. Yeah, definitely to Stockholm so I can get a car there. I have time off in the end of September, so I'll get the weekend in 18 to 26. Yeah. Perfect. I hope it's not gonna be too cold. I think I might have to take my wool underwear with. Nice. Okay, the first is perfect because it leaves at 12:20 and it's not too early, but it's not too late, so I feel like I'm not gonna waste my time. And then, okay, nice. There is one that costs 70 euros at 7:25. Let's check that. Yeah, so I feel like I'm not wasting the last day. Cool, I booked my trip, but wait a moment. I just forgot to check the rules and regulation for coming back to Germany. I actually can check that out here. Nice. Very good. Amazing. Nice. This was the app that we've been developing with Mohammed and Benedict in remote, like Valerie said. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for the teacher. Thank you for Darius and Valerie that have been helping us a lot. And thank you to all the TAs that's been helping. It's really great to see how far we came, like in just 9 weeks from not knowing how to code to this. Thank you for your attention. Have a good evening. Bye.
Nice, well done. Finally, travel information's at one place responsibly. I don't know if you've tried traveling the past year. It's, let's say, complicated. Yeah, look at this. We've reached the last project of the day, no? Okay. Right. I think for the next project, I'm going to let you introduce yourselves. Yeah, it's quite sad that this is over for me. So give it up for Cargo.
Hello guys, I'm Philip and I have a problem. I really want to buy a guitar from eBay Kleinanzeigen, but the seller lives in Hamburg and he told me that I have to pick up the guitar in Hamburg, and yeah, I don't have a car and I don't have enough time to go there and pick it up, so I use Cargo for that. And yeah, here's our nice homepage with some information about Cargo. And yeah, at first I can type in my information. So I would like to have the guitar from Hamburg to Berlin, and I would like to have it tomorrow because it's fast and nice. And I think the item is medium size, the guitar. Yeah, let's pick medium, and yeah, then find a driver. Nice, we got 4 drivers for this day. Yeah, maybe we are going with Martin. Oh shoot, no, 18 euros, that's expensive. I think there were more or less expensive ones. So yeah, Cheyenne looks nice, 10 euros, that's good. So we have here some information about the driver. He accepts small and medium items, which fits with my guitar, I think. And he has a driver license since 5 years. That's always also nice. So yeah, select this driver. Yeah, now I can type in my information. Medium-sized item is already picked. So I'm sending a guitar. And anything else the driver should know, I think. Yeah, you will pick up the guitar from Tom from eBay. Yeah, I think that is good to know. And yeah, so we can book this trip. And yeah, now I'm on my dashboard and I can see the guitar is pending. And you can see some other items I've sent in the past and some other trips I've completed in the past, because sometimes I'm a driver too. And yeah, so now I have to wait until Cheyenne accepts my booking request. And yeah, hopefully this will gonna happen soon. Hey everyone, I'm Cheyenne, and I am a very happy Cargo user. Mostly I'm using Cargo as a driver, and so I booked last week a trip for tomorrow because I'm driving from Hamburg, my hometown, to Berlin and visiting a friend. So I would like to check whether somebody booked my trip, and I can take his item on a ride. So I can go to the dashboard. And oh, nice, 2 requests on my trip. So I can click on it and see who picked my trip. So it's Philip and Marie. Oh, they both have a medium-sized item, and I have a little car, and it's already quite packed. So I think I can only take one of them. Yeah, I think I will go with Philip. Sorry, Marie. Yeah, I will accept Philip. And as I said already, my car is already full, so I will click that and decline all the other requests with that. So now I can chat with Philip, which is nice because I would like to ask, yeah, I would like to leave at 8 a.m. Is that possible? I think early leaving is good. And yeah, then I can send this, and I hope Philip will answer quickly. Oh, Philip is such a nice guy. He answered so quick. So, nice. Yeah. And, now I can book a trip, create a trip for Sunday, because I'm driving back on Sunday from Berlin to Hamburg. And yeah, maybe somebody wants to pack his item in my car. So I'm driving from Berlin to Hamburg, and I'm leaving on Sunday. Yeah, midday is, I think, nice. And yeah, I think I will need 3 hours for that. And the medium item fits in my car, so I will stick with the 10 euros, and the driver should know that I'm very flexible in the leaving time. So yeah, I published this trip, and yeah, easy game, easy money, and thanks for listening, guys, and especially thanks to my great team, Marie, Jenny, and Ottmar. Without them, this nice team would never build this nice product. And this is our nice intern. Thank you, Zibi, for helping us, and thank you all TAs and batch managers and what you are. We had a great time. Thank you.
Thank you, Cargo. I can't believe we already arrived at the last product. So thank you all. You all did an amazing job. We already said it a bunch of times. We're so incredibly proud of all of you. And I really hope that you keep learning. And I cannot wait to see what you're going to end up doing after the batch. So please stay in touch. And I would also like to take this moment to thank all of the lovely TAs and teachers who have been helping us throughout the entire batch. Obviously, also Santi and Sarah, the other batch managers of this batch. Also, all of the people who did everything behind the scenes, you know, the whole Le Wagon stuff, the yoga, the office always looking nice, Hank, the dog, you know. Basically everyone. Obviously also my co-host, Darius. Thank you so much.
I also wanted to say congratulations again. Sorry to take the microphone from you. Okay, no, you can. I also wanted to say congratulations once again. I can see in all of your faces that now the stress is gone. Everybody seems very happy, and you should be. It was great. Your projects were all great. It was obviously, for me, it was the first time seeing some of them finished, and it was exciting to see the new features that you put on your project. So well done. And it's very nice, the community that we built the past 9 weeks. I feel like this batch has been working very well together, and you guys are all great at helping each other, and I really wish for you to go out in the world and continue this. So make sure to keep in touch, make sure to, if you need to, tap into this big pool of people that are under the stage of Le Wagon, and yeah, I feel that's back to you.
Yes, you're all part of the Le Wagon alumni community now, so make use of it and stay in touch. And on that note, I think we should go celebrate, right? Woo! All right. Those at home, thank you for watching.